on the block. It's a pigeon! That is geese.
Oh, goose! Oh, yeah! Hello, Mrs. Goose!
That's a random old guy runner.
Hello, Mrs. Goose! Mrs. Goose is a beautiful person. Guess what we're gonna do, people? We're gonna go ice skating later.